Do you know many people are having trouble finding the battery indicator on their Garmin Rino 750? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Turn on device. Power up your Garmin Rino 750 GPS device to begin. Step 2. Open app drawer. Access the app drawer by swiping or selecting the icon on the home screen. Step 3. Select settings. Find and select the settings option from the app list. Step 4. Access display settings. Go to display settings where you can configure data fields. Step 5. Find battery level. Locate the battery level data field to check remaining power. With these steps, you should now be able to easily locate your battery level indicator. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Garmin users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.